Hi Fabs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night fam. Bam, my camera looks so foggy. Babe, say hi.
Don't text me when I'm
all the time you text to say that you could just say hi.
hi.
Tyler, say good morning. Hey, say how are you? Aww. Yes, boo boo. You guys, the fam bam is out this morning. We got a pretty early start this morning because I have quite a few stops that I need to make. I have about 3 stores that I want to go, and normally when it reach afternoon those stores are really full, and babe, hate chaos. I hate chaos too, especially when you're to stay in the traffic, but I don't mind going to the stores when it's full. But yeah, besides all that, we are on our way to run some errands and get some stuff done. Fire is somewhere. Why are there water planes? Yeah. Fire? Oh Lord, there's so much bushfire in our area. I guess because of the heat and all that. Even though it's not so hot now, but there's still fire.
Most of the time it's fire that
it's already been there, and
no, I mean it's someone that make the fire.
Okay.
But
okay.
the heat help because it's dry. It makes the wood and all of this thing getting on fire faster.
Right. I'll see you later. Oh, this boy is just growing up so fast. He's growing up so fast. He's just chatting away, non-stop chatting away. Why do I look like a ghost? This lighting though. You guys, this is going to be, it's a good thing we come early because this fruits and vegetable supermarket, the parking lot is full. So I'm going to even try and bring you guys inside, but let's see how it's gonna go. But I can already tell that in there is full, like crazy full. Fruit and vegetable supermarket wasn't as bad as we thought. Now we're at this, what you call it, a home store, where I'm going to try and find a new toilet seat because somebody big ass broke the one that we have. When you have a big ass, that's what happened. He said, oh, we're talking about that.
Talking about Thailand.
What you mean? I also need a towel rack for the bathroom, which I'm going to find. And what's the third thing? Oh, I need a, there it is. Also need a step for Tyler because Tyler is growing up so much these days and he can find everything that he wants. So I need a step so he can step up and get what he wants. So it's one of these that I want. Yes. Don't want no blue and I don't want no white. A gray would be best. It's heavy.
Yeah, the thing is how when you have that, and that, how do you fix that to the toilet?
Look at the back of it. You see? You just screw this off, put it in there and screw it back on. Sorry, let me see. That's it, that's all you do. It's just a screw. You just push it in the hole. No, I want to see my options. It's just these three alone? I don't think so. They should have a lot more. Right, there we go. There we go. Alright, so these are the options. Let's see which one of these. I need a very solid. I don't want plastic.
This sounds good. This one.
I don't want plastic.
Good, but not
I don't want plastic at all. The one that we first saw looks good. These one are very, very expensive with the pattern on it. No thanks. I'm not gonna leave these at somebody's house. King of Throne. This is what I've been looking for the bathroom. I think I finally found it. So I'm gonna take this one. Put it down, let me see it. That's the only one they have. This one doesn't look bad. And I think this little one right here, even though we don't have any to test. But how they don't have any open? Be careful, okay? No, Tyler, no, baby, no. So I think this little step is the best pick, right, babe? All right, come, Tyler, sit. I see. Sit. Oh my gosh, you guys. Pretzel is life right now. We finished the supermarket and pretzel is one of my favorite snack, by the way, to snack on. Finished supermarket, just finished at 15 minutes before 1 o'clock. Good timing, not bad. And we are at the gas station filling up the tank. Baby's out there filling up. Where is he? There he is. Filling up. And Tyler is back there. We need to go home and feed him and eat ourselves because I'm hungry. That's why I'm ending up snacking on Tyler pretzels. Snacking on Tyler pretzel. You want pretzel? You have nuts in your two hands, little trickster. You have nuts. Look, your hands are full. And you have passy in your mouth. How many things you gonna eat all at once? You can't manage them all. He's not hungry. So mission accomplished for today. We got everything that we set out to do done today. Our list was checked. It's the first time we went to get some stuff and we got every single thing that we wanted to get today. So that was good. It's a good day. Because this is what in our elevator looking like for us from our shopping. Oh my god. That's it all. So much things. Go, Tyler, go.
Tyler walking don't look very good.
And where he hit his head in the wall.
I don't know. Boom.
It's a hot mess. Ty, you're blind Bartimaeus. That's what Jamaicans say when you. I just changed it. I didn't put back anyone. You guys, your banana. Let Papa give you a banana. We've been back from the supermarket. As you can see, I'm all stocked. Show you some of the things that we got today. So we got potatoes. I didn't got a big pack because I didn't want a big pack, so I got a small pack. Of course, I have to stock plantains more than how I used to stock plantains because Tyler is obsessed with plantains. So I got some green one, that way they can ripe in the week. And I got some 3 ripe ones. I don't really like to buy ripe plantains because they're always ripe in the fake way, like. And I got fruits. Tyler eat at least 2 orange per day, and I am obsessed with squeezing orange and drink it naturally these days instead of buying orange juice. So I stopped buying orange juice for myself and just drink it as it is. So I buy lots of orange and I buy kiwis. I already start digging on them. Kiwis is my my kryptonite. I love kiwis so bad. Banana, which Babe and Tyler already start eating. Oh, I got this, which I see all these healthy people talking about, quinoa. So I don't know how to cook it. I've never eaten it before. I decided that I'm going to cook it and taste it and also let Babe have it. It's a healthy lentil, so it should be interesting. And I got corns, of course. I got donuts for Tyler because Tyler is obsessed with these donuts. Babe got his favorite peach syrup. I got almond milk for myself. I stock up back on Tyler pretzels. I got healthy cereal for Babe and I. So that's that for up there. And of course, freezer is restocked. Got chicken, got white fish, which I've been dreaming about all week, and I got shrimp, and I got another whole chicken which I can slow cook. So that's that. Thank you. What do you want? What do you want? What is that? No. And in here, I stock up on eggs because that's all your girl eat for breakfast. And vegetable stocked. And Tyler's new favorite yogurt is this one. I have to be trying not to let him have too much of it, but he's upset. No donut. He cried just now when he can't have more than one donut. Yes, baby, egg. And apple juice for Babe and I drink this every now and then, but it's mostly for Babe. And of course, I got saltfish today because I've been dying for saltfish, but I only get saltfish at my fruit and vegetable store, so I went there today so I could get my saltfish. You want juice? Juice, please. And another bag of orange down there. Stock up on veggies, carrots, green peas, lettuce is behind there. What is this? Broccoli's here. In here, I think it's mushroom for Babe, and I have pak choy in this bag. So yeah, fridge is all stocked. Juice, please. All right, let's give you some juice. And now Tyler wants juice. Look at him. Juice mouth. Juicy. Say juicy, juicy. You hear him saying juicy. It's just as crazy as I am. You want juicy? Mama throwing you juicy. Juicy. Juicy, please. This apple juice tastes so good. So good. At first I used to hate it. I used to laugh at Babe and call it medicine. But y'all know that I'm crazy and I have my face. Juicy. Here you go. What do you say? What do you say? You're welcome. Drink. Wait. I should put back the cover on it. There you go. Voila. Bye. He doesn't cheer for me right now.
Alveston. Hi guys.
Sneaky face. He ever have a sneaky look on his face. You guys, look at Tyler on his little new stool. Hey, look at you. He's been squeezed. We've been doing orange. Orange? You want orange? Okay, one more orange, okay? Orange. One more. No. No nuts. Almost dinner time. Look, orange. This one is gonna be for Mama. Okay? Look. Look, baby, look. Wow. Wow. Pretty. Yes, pretty. Okay guys, so this is the outcome of dinner, and I can already tell that the quinoa is yummy. I tasted it and it was so good. So that's Babe, that's me, and that's Tyler. Let's see if Tyler is gonna eat it. But But if not, we have backup plan. And somebody's already in the kitchen, sneaking. You ready for dinner?
Yeah.
You're
I was
hungry?
waiting on dinner.
You're waiting on dinner?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, we're gonna eat nom 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 rice.
Mwah.
Why are you calling me? What's him? He's waiting on you. The cutest father-son bonding ever. You love your papa? Say, Papa, love you. Yeah.
What you doing, babe, at this time of the day?
I'm editing.
You editing what?
Story time for tomorrow.
Okay. What time it is?
11.
11? Okay. How does it sound tomorrow? Is it a must watch?
Oh yeah. But by the time I see this vlog, it will already have been up. So you guys, if you don't watch it yet, just pause this vlog, go ahead and watch it, and come right back to this vlog, because you don't want to you don't want to miss the ending of this vlog, but you also don't want to miss that story time. The Jamaican expression for today is me back broad. If you hear a Jamaican say to you, me back broad, simply mean that they're tough, they're strong, and they're not easily offended by nothing. Me back broad. Say it.
Me back, Brad.
Yes.
Me back, Brad.
Alright, that's the Jamaican expression. What's the French word or expression?
The French word, I saw it today, is déposer des amis à la piscine. It's mean whenever you want to go to the bathroom to poop.
Oh, the one that we saw in the store?
No.
Okay.
It's whenever you want to go in the bathroom, you can say je vais déposer des amis, je vais déposer des copains à la piscine. Mean I'm gonna leave homies. I'm gonna drop homies at the swimming pool.
You're gonna drop your friends at the swimming pool?
Yeah.
You're hilarious. How it goes?
C'est déposer
des amis
à la piscine.
Right.
Right.
Okay. Alright, you guys. So there you have the French expression and the Jamaican expression. You get it? Make sure you get it. Catch up and keep up. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're first time watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.